Hello and welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography.
Chandler.
Yes, every time I hear about Chandler Drive, that's exactly what it sounds like in my head. Today we're going to show the whole village of Dabney and the progress they're making on the Enclave. Plus, I am going to try to answer a question from a viewer later on in the video. The long, unlabeled road is the road that leads into the Enclave. We will fly over there shortly. The village of Dabney is the furthest village southeast north of the turnpike. The Dabney Recreational Center has a lot to offer. They have an adult pool, they have bocce ball, they have cornhole, they have the pedestrian path, they have pickleball, shuffleboard, and tennis. There are two other recreational centers nearby, which is the Homestead Recreation Center and the Franklin Recreation Center.
Chandler.
It is just a short 10-minute golf cart ride to Sawgrass, about a 30-minute ride to Brownwood, and then a 20-minute golf cart ride to Eastport going across the Bexley Bridge. I can't believe they haven't built a Zaxby or a Circle K down there on 470. I do believe something will be popping up soon. The Turnpike entrance and points south are closer. Publix and Winn-Dixie are 3 miles away on Route 27. There are also a number of restaurants, Ace Hardware, Walgreens, and other businesses at the corner of US 27 and Route 38. Not too far away is Lake Denham. The nature trails there are fabulous. Alright, we're coming in for a landing here at the village of Dabney, and we'll be taking off shortly out of the Enclave and seeing the progress they have made over there. You can see the progress that has been made only to the outside of the village. On the inside, not so much. You can see that they have completed almost all the houses on the outside of the village here on the Enclave. They've got a few that they're building on the inside, but that is it. I have always heard that the premier villages had 2 lights on their light poles, that this always signifies that this is a premier subdivision in the villages. Just check out the lights here in this subdivision. They only have 1 light. I wonder if that's new. Hey, could y'all leave a comment, let me know? Thank you. I had a viewer write in and ask what was being built on the corner of Marshbend Trail and Bexley Trail. Well, I thought it was kind of a joke at first because Marshbend Trail and Bexley Trail run north and south, one on one side of Eastport Square and the other one on the other side of Eastport Square. So I didn't know they met up. Well, I found where they met up here at the circle here, and we're going to take a flight here to see what is being built at Marshbend Trail and Bexley Trail. We're going to fly up about 2,000-3,000 feet so we can get a better look. And we'll just circle around here and see what's being built around this neighborhood here. As you can see at 3,000 feet, that you can see a lot of land. There's a lot of area down there. And the only thing that's being built is the Shady Brook area. Where they have all this fill sand, and they have some extra supplies back there for drainage and water irrigation. I think our viewers saw that they were building these walls here where they were going to put villas and veranda homes, and I think he saw these walls being built up and thought this was going to be a big complex. He was probably hoping that it was going to be a Publix down there, a Target, TJ Maxx. I got to build the houses, then the commercial property comes later.